Welcome back, design enthusiasts. Today we are diving into the heart of your home, the kitchen. Get ready to transform your cooking space with the hottest kitchen interior design trends of 2024. But before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more inspiring home design content. Let's get started. First up, next on the list is the trend of mixing materials. Experiment with the combinations like marble countertops, wooden cabinets, and metallic accent. The juxtaposition of different textures creates a visually dynamic and sophisticated kitchen. Don't be afraid to blend style for a truly personalized touch. And then step into the future with smart technology decoration. From smart appliances to voice activated controls, make your kitchen work for you. Imagine adjusting lighting, preheating your oven, or checking your grocery list, all with a simple voice command. It's not just about style, it's about functionality too. And open shelving and hidden storage. Open shelving is making a comeback but with a twist. Combine it with clever hidden storage solutions to maintain a clean and organized look. Showcase your favorite kitchenware on open shelves while keeping clutter out of sight. It's the perfect balance of aesthetics and practicality. And biophilic design. Connect with nature through biophilic design. Integrate indoor plants, natural materials, and large windows to bring the outdoors in. This can not only enhance the aesthetic appeal but also promote a sense of well being in your kitchen. Embrace the calming influence of nature. And there you have it, the top kitchen interior design trends of 2024. Which one will you incorporate into your culinary heaven? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it inspiring. Stay tuned for more design tips, and until next time, happy designing. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, check out our other design trend videos linked here. Subscribe for more inspiration, and we will see you in the next one. Bye for now.